Making handmade gift for your dad, isn't it so difficult as you think so? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 handmade craft made with Foamy, book, pen holder, shirt notepad. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creation. I'm Sangeeta and I make beautiful DIY crafts with little bit of imagination. If you're new here, please make sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it, so whenever I upload a new video, you are the first one to know. Give this video a big thumbs up and watch this video till the end so you don't miss anything. So let's use your imagination to create something special. For this you will need Hope this video was very helpful. If yes, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you make one, please share with me on any of my social media with hashtag Sangeeta's Creation. Don't forget to comment below. Happy Father's Day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video with your family and friends. And friends, do comment below which DIY you want me to do next. Thank you for your support and growing this channel. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.